Welcome to R&W Embroidery. Today I will be using the Merrowly software to make a patch. At first I was just going to go ahead and stitch it out, but I know I like to see how it was done first. So I'm going to go ahead and I deleted it and I'm going to go ahead and restart it. So I am going to go to my create letter. And with the Merrowly, it comes with fonts, a whole bunch of fonts. But I am going to use the Merrowly Groovy, which is already in here. And I'm going to, oops. I'm doing this with one hand, guys, so I haven't set up my camera. I did go to storage to get my stands yesterday. So then I'll go ahead and there's my name. Go ahead and set it. Okay, and there we go. Do I really want it that big? No, I don't want it that big. Okay, I gotta put the camera down. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So, there's my name, Groovy Design. And then we go up to Utility, Add Patch Edge, and I'm going to do the page wrap. I like that one. And there it goes. I want mine filled in, the inside. So I am going to go over to Interactive, go all the way down to Material, and then I'm going to create using fill. And then it's filled in. Okay. As far as the colors, I want to make the position black. You know what? I'm just going to leave it like that because I'm going to set them when I get to the machine. So it's not a big deal. And that's it. That is totally it. Now I just got to stitch it out and see what it looks like. So let's get over to the machine and stitch it out. Okay,